In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto brightness. There are two ways to manage auto brightness on this Samsung. First one is by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Then hold your brightness slider. Select Turn On in this pop-up, or simply click on the switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to turn it on or switch it off. To save your changes, select Done on the right. But you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll a tiny bit to click on Display, and use this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness right under Brightness slider to either switch it on or turn it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!